Before you know, man, I'm in a lot. You got money here,
Amazing.
Maragarosa.
Amazing.
Kimbo, Aruchu, Wokemba. Aman, Wanile. Ebe anyị bịara bụ Palace of Ezibomisi. Masị anyị dị ikwu atọ n'arụ. Anyị dị ikwu atọ, ihe a na-edescribe eze arụ nke asụ. Eze ụwa anaghị azụ ya azụ. Ọ bụghị politics. Ndị nna wupụrụ ala. And okwu fero na this Ezibomisi's palace na-abụ ụtọ ọrụ. Na eze arụ. Which I must also be a part. Eba Ezibomisi is the second in command. So it's all got there. And we don't make a mistake on that. Who guys come as in make a mistake on that. But the border and other kindreds. The kindreds will deal with their matter there before coming to Arab. Like Gabriel Igoma, as an example, is only with Royal Highness. Yoruba North. Then there's Ndikirion was also a Royal Highness. Amma is actually a Royal Highness. They are the kind under here now. Way back was a video. I'm over on the Wogi Ponja. So I ever know wherever they are doing something, have them invite us, their father coming.